Once you are using Intercompany Integration Solution for SAP Business One, there is one feature that allows you to control the credit limit of global customers. This is the Consolidated Credit Limit Check. So let me show you how it works. First, we are in our head office and I'm going to open Administration, System Installation, and General Settings. Under the Business Partner tab, I'm going to have the checkbox Consolidated Credit Limit. I'm going to select that option and update inside of Business One. As we can see, our credit limit and our consolidated credit limit applies to our AR invoice document. I'm going to do the same for my branch number 1. I'm going to go under Administration, System Installation, General Settings, and again I'm going to select Consolidated Credit Limit and update the information inside of SAP Business One. So now let's consider that I have already created a global customer, and this customer is going to have a credit limit local of $100 in our head office and a local credit limit of $100 in our branch number 1. And globally, we will be able to sell up to $150 per month for that customer. So I'm going to open Business Partner and Business Partner Master Data. I'm going to look for my customer CG025. And under Payment Terms, I will be able to find the credit limit, which is a normal Business One functionality, and I'm going to include the information of $100. And under here, I'm going to have the consolidated credit limit, and I'm going to include $150. The consolidated credit limit information, since it's an intercompany functionality, is going to be replicated across the companies. So once I update the information inside of my branch number 1, $150 as a global credit limit is going to be also replicated to my head office. Now, let's move from our branch number 1 to our head office to see the replication of that information. As you can see here, we are using the intercompany alert. I'm going to select that line and open my global customer CG025. If I go under Payment Terms, I can see that the consolidated credit limit has been updated to $150, but still the credit limit is 0 because I didn't change that information in my head office, and I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to include exactly the same as in branch number 1, is going to be $100. So now we're going to create 2 invoices, one in our head office of $90 for our customer CG025, and another one in our branch number 1 of, again, $90 for the same customer. So first I'm going to open Sales AR. I'm going to select AR Invoice. I'm going to select my customer CG25. I'm going to select an item. And I'm going to include here $90, which is under the local credit limit as well as the global credit limit. I'm going to include the information inside of SAP Business One. Now that I have created this first invoice, if I open my Business Partner Master Data, I will be able to see the account balance of $90, and I have here consolidated account balance of $90. Now, moving to my branch number 1, first I'm gonna to synchronize the balance, the global balance of my global customer under Administration, System Initialization, General Settings. Under Business Partner tab, I'm going to have this option BP Sync. By select this option, now the consolidated balance has been synchronized between the databases. I'm gonna open again business partner master data. I'm gonna look for my customer CG025, and I can see that the consolidated account balance is now $90. So I'm gonna create another invoice now in my in my branch number 1, and this new invoice is gonna be again $90. Looking for CG025, I'm gonna look for an item, and unit price $90. So $90 is under my local credit limit, but if we sum $90 from head office plus $90 from our branch number 1, we're going to exceed our global credit limit of $150. As soon as I add the document in the system, I can see that now the system is going to return a message: CG025 has exceeded consolidated credit by $30. Do you want to continue? And now it's up to the user to decide if they want to continue or not with the process.